Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix an error has occurred in Roblox. This issue is usually related to corrupted launcher settings or compatibility problems. First, just go to your Windows search bar and search for Roblox. Right-click on Roblox Player and choose to open file location. Once you have done that, your File Explorer will open and you will see Roblox Player. Select the Roblox Player and press Alt and Enter on your keyboard to open the properties. After that, go to the General tab and rename Roblox Player to Roblox Player 1 without any spaces. Once you have done that, go to the Compatibility tab and make sure Run this program in compatibility mode is toggled on. Select Windows 8, then toggle on Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Once that is done, go ahead and open your Roblox Player. Try launching the game and check if the issue is fixed. If the error still occurs, go to the Start button and click on the power icon. Restart your PC and try again. That's it. We just learned how to fix an error has occurred issue by renaming the launcher file and adjusting compatibility settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.